Hello friends, we are in the playlist named Entrepreneurship in Engineering, where in the previous lecture we saw a few definitions and significance of the same. Today we are going to understand the characteristics of entrepreneurs. So one by one I will be showing you all the characteristics in detail, where the first one is desire for responsibility. To become an entrepreneur, being responsible is the inherent characteristic in any field startup. Being responsible, you become more confident, you solve more problems, you experience better relationship, you become a role model, and even your decision making skills get improved. Then after the second is preference for moderate risk. One of the very important co-factor in any business is risk management culture. But is taking risk good? The advantage of taking calculated risk in any business are real and shouldn't be overlooked. After all business are worth taking risks. Then after on the third number we have confidence in the ability to succeed. And we all know that being confident has numerous advantages, like increased sense of self-worth, more happiness and joy in life, less fear and anxiety, freedom from social anxiety, more peace of mind and less stress, more energy and motivation to act. These all things may lead you to the path of success. Next we have desire for immediate feedback. In any business, especially for startups, it becomes essential to take customers' feedback and act upon it. There are numerous benefits of doing this. Taking feedback is an effective listening. It can motivate, it can improve performance. In fact, it is a tool for continued learning. Then we have high level of energy. Being energetic is definitely a positive attribute for any business and startups. The energetic person is eager, willing and able to innovate. He has deep personal stores of energy independent of outside world. Then on the sixth number we have future orientation. Being a future oriented person allows you to plan ahead. Since planning is the crucial part of any project, focusing on the future clearly helps you in achieving your goals. You can mentally visualize every step of the process, predict possible obstacles and envision your success. Then on the seventh number we have entrepreneurs should be skilled at organization. By being organized, you will save time looking for the things and will have more time to work for the important tasks. As organization can improve the flow of communication between you and your team, you can also make your team more productive. After all, better communication leads to better results. Then at last, we have value achievement over money. Successful entrepreneurs are not driven by money, they are driven by achievements. Sure, making money can be nice, but the biggest reason why they are successful is because they are pursuing a higher purpose than themselves. So friends, this is all for today and thank you for watching.